I Show Speed, you doing your Caribbean tour. You're not coming to Haiti. That's bullshit. You went all over Africa. You went to Ethiopia, all these places. You're not coming to Haiti. That's bullshit. There's an influencer, a Haitian influencer, Ariana. She just came to Haiti. They threw the gigantic party for her in Haiti in OCAP.
Right.
They treated her like a queen when she came to Haiti. Don't believe the propaganda and the bullshit like it's not safe.
Quit being scared of Haiti, bro.
Stop being scared. All you people out there, stop being scared of Haiti. We opening up the airspace. Okay, don't let the headlines fool you.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna get on speed too much because Kai, you better bring your little weird ass out and you come to Haiti and you stream in Haiti because you the Haitian anyway.
Yeah, right.
Speed don't owe us nothing. Your lineage, that name Sanat, that come from that island. And you not streaming right now. You need to say, you know what, Speed, fuck what you talking about. Return to streaming.
Yeah, just to go to Haiti.
Just to go to Haiti.
Yeah.
IRL.
That's what should happen though, for real. That's power.
That's what you should do, Kai.
That's power. That's a great idea, actually.